Today we're going to speak about intention and how intention is shaping the way we feel in our actions, both on the yoga mat and off the yoga mat. We hear people talk about it all the time. Your intention, your intention, your intention. But what is it actually? Intention is that what drives our actions, what we are hoping to amplify doing something. So for example, my intention is gratitude. I'm moving with that gratitude through my life. So I'm trying to install more and more gratitude into my life. Let's compare it to a car. You put in the gasoline, the car drives on the gasoline. So the movement is propelled with the fuel you put inside. The same way in ourselves, our intention is fueling our actions. And many times that subtle intention is not necessarily gratitude, appreciation, or acceptance, the concepts we find a lot in the world of yoga and we're hoping to cultivate and amplify and essentially embody as a way of life. Many times it's actually fear of rejection, trying to longing for acceptance. And this is constantly putting our power into the external world, seeking reactions, seeking behaviors, and seeking outcomes, and essentially continuously amplifying energies of shortcoming. Let me give that small example of how this translates into your yoga practice. You are stepping onto your yoga mat and you are standing into a pose, and as you're trying to find your way into the position, the intention that drives you is, for example, trying to be better than the other one. You're trying to be better than the other one because you believe that in order to feel good about yourself and feel loved, you have to be better than others. So this is actually a fear-based intention. It's not you trying to bring your highest form to expression free from the outcome, but you have an attachment, a longing. It has to be this, and otherwise I'm just going to be cramped and angry and annoyed. So the intention that drives you, the fuel you put into your body and to your car, is fear. Changing the subtle intention as in, I want to do my best and I want to show up every day into my best possible expression, but I liberate myself from the outcome, will fuel our body, fuel our actions, and fuel our whole life with this deeper intention. And therefore it will lead to a greater state of satisfaction, of acceptance, and of presence. And that is the way that intention shapes the way we perceive ourselves, we perceive our body, and therefore perceive our life as well off the yoga mat. We hope this helps and gives you a bit of clarity on why intention is such a valuable part of our practice, maybe even the most important one. Thank you.